Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, I'll be showcasing my 3D printed models for Creality's contest, which is right here. Let's scratch to this printed contest. So Creality have this contest on Creality Cloud called the Christmas 3D printed contest, and this is the model that I'm going to be entering with. Let me show you now. This will be the model that I will be entering into Creality's Christmas 3D printed contest. So I modeled all of this, the Christmas tree with all the decorations and the present. Look at that. It looks really beautiful. So this will be representing Christmas, the tree, and you get all the presents at the bottom here. So yeah, this is gonna be my models for entering Creality's contest for a Christmas gift to me. I need all of you to go into Creality Cloud. I will leave a link down below to Creality Cloud to my models. And what I need from you guys is to view my model and please give it a thumbs up. That would be the best Christmas gift from you guys to me. And thank you so much for all of you for supporting and watching my videos all the way up until now. Today is the 1 year when I started this YouTube channel and it has grown significantly. Thank you so much for all of you out there, and happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I hope you had the best Christmas, the best gift, and have times to spend with your family. Merry Christmas everybody, but as always, keep on 3D printing.